Hello everyone. So in this video I'll be talking about physical properties of amines. Let's start. In physical property, first we will be talking about intermolecular forces, boiling points and solubility of amines. The NH bond of amines is polar because of the electronegativity difference in between hydrogen and nitrogen. Nitrogen is quite electronegative and hydrogen is having very low electronegativity. Due to this, there is a polar covalent bond formed in between the nitrogen and hydrogen atom. Due to the polar nature of NH bond, primary and secondary amines have intermolecular hydrogen bonding, as you are seeing in the figure also. The intermolecular hydrogen bonding is greater extent in primary amines than in secondary amines, because primary amines are having two hydrogen atoms bonding to the nitrogen atom, and in tertiary amines we will not see any of the hydrogen atom, so there is no hydrogen bonding in case of tertiary amine. But the polarity, or you can say the polar bond, used to be formed in between nitrogen and carbon atom because of the electronegativity difference again. So the tertiary amines are polar molecules and have intermolecular dipole-dipole attractive forces. The intermolecular forces of attraction are strongest in case of primary amines and it is weakest in case of tertiary. This is the boiling point order of the amines, where you will see the boiling point of primary amine is more than the secondary and secondary is more than the tertiary. And it could be explained on the basis of intermolecular forces in between them. The boiling point, as you are seeing in the order here. Now, the lower aliphatic amines are gaseous and they are having fishy odor. Middle members are liquids and higher members are solid under ordinary temperature and pressure. Aniline or another aryl amine are usually having pungent smell, and they are easily oxidized by air due to the ability of forming hydrogen bond with molecule. Lower aliphatic amines are soluble in water. Solubility of amines decreases with decrease in molar mass of amine due to the increase in size of hydrophobic alkyl group. Aromatic amines and higher aliphatic amines are insoluble in water. And since nitrogen and hydrogen bond in amine is less polar than OH bond in alcohol, the water solubility of alcohol and amines and alkanes of the comparable molar mass in water will be alcohol are more soluble than amines and amines are more soluble than alkanes. And if we are talking about the boiling points comparison in between alkanes, amines, alcohols and carboxylic acid of a comparable molar mass, would be the carboxylic acid containing compound will be having the maximum boiling point if there are same number of carbon atom than the alcohol. Then alcohol is more than amine and amine is more than alkane. Now another property, and that is basicity of amine. The basic nature of amine is due to the presence of lone pair of electron on nitrogen atom. In terms of Lewis theory, amines are bases because they can share lone pair of electron which is present with a nitrogen atom with the electron deficient species. For example, tertiary methyl amine shares lone pair of electrons with the electron deficient boron trifluoride. That is why it is Lewis base. And boron trifluoride is Lewis acid. Basic strength of amine is also expressed quantitatively as Kb or pKb value. In terms of Lowry-Bonstead theory, the basic nature of amine is explained by the writing this following equilibrium, where this amine is accepting one hydrogen atom to form a conjugate acid. In this equilibrium, it is accepting a hydrogen atom, hence the amine is a Lowry-Bonstead base. For stronger base, the equilibrium will shift towards the right side and the Kb value would be larger and pKb value would be smaller, and vice versa. Now let's talk about the basic strength of aliphatic amines. The trend observed the pKb values and basic strength of 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree amines with ammonia is this order. Order of pKb value of ammonia is largest, then it is of primary, then secondary, and secondary amine value is lesser than tertiary. Now, if we are talking about the basic strength of ammonia is smaller than primary. Primary basic strength is smaller than secondary, but secondary basic strength is greater than tertiary. The observed pKb value of aliphatic amine secondary amines are the strongest bases according to the pKb value, according to the basic strength we have studied just now. Basic strength increases as we are moving from ammonia to secondary amines, and secondary amine has basic strength more than the tertiary. The basic strength and the corresponding pKb value depends upon the position of equilibrium, which we have learned in the previous slide. Greater the stabilization of conjugate acid, more on the right side of equilibrium, stronger will be the base and it will be having low value of pKb. So, basicity of amine is related to the structural effects which influence the stability, or you can say stabilization of various species. Greater the stabilization of conjugate acid and lower the pKb value will be generating the more basic amine. The two factors which are involved for the basicity are: number one is influence of plus I on stabilization of conjugate acid of aliphatic amine. Influence of plus I effect on the stabilization of conjugate acid we will be seeing in this order. This is the ion which will be formed after accepting hydrogen ion by ammonia. Ammonium ion will be generated. This primary amine is also accepting one hydrogen atom. Secondary amine is also accepting hydrogen atom, and tertiary is also accepting hydrogen atom to generate one ion. An alkyl group exerts electron releasing inductive effect or plus I effect, which stabilizes the positive charge on the atom bonded to it. If we move the conjugate acid of ammonia, which is ammonium, to tertiary, the number of alkyl groups are increasing which are bonded to nitrogen atom, and the result in the increasing of stabilization of conjugate acid. Thereby the strength of the compounds, the expected strength should be like this. It should be the order of stabilization, and this should be the expected order of basic strength. But the observed value or the observed order is different from the expected one. It is seen that the increasing basic strength of ammonia to amine from 1 degree to 2 degree is explained on the basis of plus I effect, but the secondary amine is more basic than the tertiary. This is the suggestive of existence of another influencing factor in stabilization of conjugated acid of amines. Now, another factor is influence of solvation by water on stabilization of conjugate acid of aliphatic amines and ammonia. If we are seeing ammonia ion is dissolved in water, then what will happen? These three hydrogen atoms will be forming three hydrogen bond with three oxygen molecules of water. sorry, these three hydrogen atom will be bonding three hydrogen bond with three oxygen atom of three water molecules. If we are talking primary amine, two hydrogen will be forming two hydrogen bond with oxygen atom of two molecules of water. In tertiary, only one hydrogen atom will be forming hydrogen. In secondary, one hydrogen atom will be forming hydrogen bond with oxygen atom of one molecule of water. And in case of tertiary, there would be very less chances. The solvent water stabilizes the conjugate acid by hydrogen bonding of the hydrogen present to the nitrogen atom. Now, this is increasing when we are moving from ammonium to tertiary ion. Then we will see there is a combined influence of plus I effect and solvation of stabilization. If the conjugate acid of aliphatic amine decides the observed basic strength and pKb value, the two influencing factors operate in the opposite direction. Plus I effect is increasing from ammonium to tertiary amine ion, and from tertiary amine ion to ammonium ion the solvation is increasing. So the net result is that as we are moving from ammonia to primary amine and then primary amine to secondary amine, the basic strength increases due to the stabilization of the corresponding conjugate acid. But tertiary amine is weaker base than the secondary because the stabilization of conjugate acid of tertiary amine is poor by solvation. So these two factors are responsible for the basic strength of the secondary amine. Thank you.